Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and good evening, friends. My name is Shoaibullah Khan. Welcome to my channel AK Universe. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing and review of a OnePlus product. It is the OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2 earphones. It is one of the most widely used products, and today I will be doing the complete review for this product. Without wasting any further time, let's quickly go ahead and start with the unboxing and review for this product. As you can see, here's the product. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is a pictorial representation of the product. This is how it looks like from the inside, and as you can see, the packaging has been done very good. And on the back side you would find some details about the pricing and the packaging and the import of the product and other details. This packaging has come in two colors, look in red and white color scheme. Let me quickly open up the product and show you what's within the package. As you can see, on the top part of the packaging box you would find inside written "Never Settle." So this is the tagline or the motto of OnePlus company, and this is there mentioned on all of their products. I'll keep this aside. Let me remove the box which is inside. This is the red color box, as you can see, very well packaged. And here also you have a very nice picture of the product, and over here there's a space, a cutout where you can feel the top part of the earphone, and it's magnetic. So I'll just keep this down and show you the bottom part of the package. Here's the box, and inside the box it's written "Free Your Music," and it's written "Created together with our community," as you can see. So that's very good. I'll keep this aside. Now let me open up the red box which has the product, and firstly let me show you the small earbuds. These are the earbuds which you can replace based on the size of your ears, and you can change and fix this on the earphones. I'll keep this aside. And there's also a user manual or a user guide, and it has two booklets within this. Here it is. It's in black and white. These are the user guides, and on the back side it's written "Designed by OnePlus." I'll keep this aside. And now let me show you the pouch which comes with the box in the packaging, and it's a part of the package, and it's very good. It's a synthetic material. It's made from silicone. It has a magnetic lock. It can be locked this way, as you can see. So it doesn't open up all by itself. You have to just press to open it and then close. You can keep the OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2 earphones inside this. It's a compact space, but it will easily be packaged or kept inside this case. Designed by OnePlus mentioned on the case. It's printed, and on the front side it's having a OnePlus logo. That's for the case. I'll keep this aside now, and let me quickly remove the product itself. Here is the product. That's how it looks like. As you can see, it has a neck band which wear it on your neck, and you can simply open this up and fix it in your ears like this. So it looks very nice and stylish as well, and it's lightweight. You can fix it back. So the build quality of the product is very good, and on the either sides it has two sections, and it's for the sake of battery, and the battery life is really good, and it has a USB type C port over here, so you can connect the fast charger. It uses the warp technology from OnePlus, and it's a 30-watt charging, so charging will be very fast. You will be using the charging, in this case you will get a small USB type C cable, which is a part of the package, and you can use it for charging this wireless earphone, and in 10 minutes you can get a backup or playback time of 10 hours, and if you charge it completely you will get up to 14 hours of playback time, which is really good for a product like this, for a wireless Bluetooth earphones. So that's a claim by the company that you get 14 hours of playback time. Now let's go ahead and look into the features of the product. As you can see, you also have a power button here, and it can be used for pairing your smartphone. Let me quickly show you how it can be paired. It's very simple. I have an Android phone over here. Let me increase the brightness so that you can see it. Alright, I hope you can see this over here, and I'm just going to pair this now. I'll turn on the Bluetooth option quickly, and all I have to do, here it is, you can see this, it's mentioned Bluetooth. I'm just turning it on now, and all I have to do is just open this magnetic connection which was connected already, and now after opening it up, all I have to do, I just have to connect to the OnePlus device, and it is instantly paired. It's paired now. So to stop or start the music, you have a very good feature in this handset. It is compatible with most of the latest OnePlus smartphones. All you have to do is just open this up to listen to the music, and the music starts within a second or two, and it starts playing. And when you want to stop that, these are two magnets which gets locked, and the music stops. So that's very good, and you can autoplay the music, and that's a very good convenience for people using such devices. It comes with the aptX HD codec, and it's from Qualcomm, and it's a very good technology. It helps you to get better clarity and quality of the audio. And here you can see a small section. Again, it's for increasing and decreasing the volume, and you have a small button. The button which is here is used as for voice commands, and that is for Google Assistant. So you can press this and give your command. It executes the command, and you will get the results on your smartphone. Apart from that, it has a very good microphone as well on the back side, a small microphone, so the audio clarity, quality as well. Since it's having a good battery life, it will be very useful for you for a long-term usage. You can go ahead and purchase this product. I will leave the link in the description below. You can purchase this product. However, I also want to mention that when the OnePlus 8 product was launched, and at that time the company also released the upgraded version of this wireless earphones. In comparison, this product is 5,999 rupees. I purchased this product from OnePlus website. Now the recently launched product, if you go and buy that product, you would get it at a way lesser price, and the quality is good, and you will be getting the same features as you have in this earphones. So I recommend you go with the other product. If it's depending on your budget, you can choose the other one. However, this product is not bad. The only concern for this product is that it does not have a very good bass in the quality of the music. So people who are who likes bass in the music and wants a good punching sound and quality, then I suggest you look for some other product in the market, or else you can use this product on a day-to-day basis as a daily convenience for you, for receiving calls and maybe for some music and for consumption of media. It's very good. It's very good for your personal purpose. But some music lovers, you will need a better enhancement of audio in terms of bass, so you will have to go for something else. Apart from that, I think this product is pretty good. Out of 10, I would give it 7 stars. So definitely you can go with this product. And if I hope you like the review and unboxing of this product. If you do, I request you to go ahead and like and click on the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends and your colleagues so that more people know about me and my channel, and they can watch more better videos that I will be posting in the coming days. So I'm looking forward for it. So take care and thank you. Goodbye.